So hello guys, this is the actual case number 25 and this the corner piece is already solved and we have to insert the edge piece into this slot. So this is the algorithm and it gets solved. So this is the actual case number 26 where the corner piece in here and the edge piece is in here. So we have to insert the edge piece into this slot and the algorithm is this. So this is the case number 27 where the corner piece in here and the edge piece is in here and we have to solve. And it gets solved. This is the F2L case number 28 where the corner piece in here and the edge piece is in here and we have to solve it. And it gets solved. This is the case number 29 where the corner piece in here and the edge piece is in here. This is the F2L case number 30 where the corner piece in here and the edge piece is in here and we have to rotate the cube in this direction and we have to solve it. This is the F2L case number 31 and the corner piece in here and the edge piece is in here. This is the case number 32 and the corner piece is in here and the edge piece is in here and we have to rotate the cube. This is the case number 33 and the corner and edge piece in these places and we have to solve it in this way and rotate. This is the case number 34 and the corner and edge piece in these places. This is the case number 35 and the corner and edge piece in these places. And it gets solved. It is the case number 36 and it is the most one of the most easiest case of the F2L. And solved.